Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I love Asian cuisine, but one of them I got pretty hooked on back in the mid-80s was Japanese. I was going there at least 4 times a month. Besides sushi, a dish I really like is tempura, but it won't be the same without Tentsuyu, which is Tempura Dipping Sauce. With just 4 ingredients, you can duplicate this fabulous sauce from your favorite Japanese restaurant. So let's get cooking. This recipe is insanely easy to make. So we'll go ahead and in a small saucepan over medium heat, we'll add water. Then low sodium soy sauce, followed by mirin, which is a Japanese sweet rice wine, some andashi, that is basically instant dashi powder that can be found at your Asian supermarket or online, and a little bit of granulated sugar. We'll bring the mixture to a low simmer, stirring well until the sugar is dissolved. We'll turn off the heat and allow it to cool before using it, or if not right away, we'll simply pour the sauce into a glass jar and transfer it to the fridge until needed. And my friends, this is our Tempura Dipping Sauce, also known as Tentsuyu. This is a quick and delicious condiment to use not only for tempura, but also stir fries, rice bowls, noodles, and so on. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!